Tired of manually sending welcome emails to every new client? Here's how to automate your entire onboarding sequence and go high level and impress clients from day one. Now, before we get started, it is important that you have an onboarding email that you want to send out to your clients made. In Go High Level, you can actually do that by creating your email with AI, which we're going to do right now before we start the rest of the workflow. So we are in Go High Level under marketing and under emails. Under the templates, we're going to choose create with AI. And now we're just going to tell Go High Level what we want. So I'm going to input the prompt that I have for that. Now here's the prompt that we're using. We're telling Go High Level in the email AI, create an onboarding email welcoming our clients into the inFlow community for career professionals who want to learn AI and build their side business. This email should welcome them into the community, remind them of what they're going to learn, and provide their membership login credentials so they can join the community. Now we're going to click Generate Template, and Go High Level is going to develop this email right before our eyes. We'll come back so we can see the email in when it's actually done. So here we see the email actually created from Go High Level's email AI feature, and it's not too bad. Some things that I would fix, so it has our logo here, but I would just fix the height of this, and I would drag it so it can be a little bit smaller compared to the page. It actually created this image itself. So we did not make this image in ChatGPT, Gemini, Nana Banana, none of that. Go High Level did all that. And so we have this text here, dedicated space over the coming weeks. I think this is really good. And then from here, we can input the automatic credentials that we would dynamically want to use. So I'm using Go High Level's variables in order to input this information, so that way we can use this email anytime anybody, signs up. We'll choose the magic URL, which will allow people to log in automatically. I'm also going to set this as a link. So we'll link that text here. That way it'll open up. And again, access your membership. I will make this link to the magic URL, and you just want to set your subject line. Just check it. So welcome to the inFlow community. Your AI and side business journey starts here. So awesome. I love this. So we're going to use this. And actually, one more thing, I will set the from name to be from inFlow, and then the from email, we're going to set that as hello@beinflow.io. Good. So we can save this template, and now we can move on with developing our onboarding workflow. Now we are ready to build out our automation. So we're going to navigate to the automation tab under the workflow list, and we're going to choose create workflow, and we will start from scratch. Now, as we have this open up, we're going to rename our workflow, and we're going to call it the new member onboarding flow. Perfect. And from here, we could use Go High Level's workflow AI, but we're actually going to start from scratch just in this beginning so we can show you the step-by-step of it. I'm going to switch over to the advanced builder, which is a bit more visually and design-wise intuitive. So our first trigger step is going to be based on a contact tag. So we're going to type in tag, contact tag, and we're going to say the tag added is member onboarding. We'll add that, save as a trigger. And what will happen after a contact tag is added, we're going to click the plus button and we're going to send an email. And we're going to use the email template that we created. So down here, I'm going to click under create email. We'll choose select existing template. I will choose the inFlow community onboarding, put that there, and it'll automatically bring in the name, email, and subject line that we had as well. I'm going to track clicks and track UTM tracking as well. And we'll choose edit, sync edits to template, just in case we want to edit this in the future. We will click save action from here. And simply enough, this is enough for you to have an onboarding sequence. I would suggest adding a few more things, like for example, adding an SMS text to be sent. I would also have a multi-email onboarding process that'll be separated. So for example, we can say in this text, we'll say hello, contact, first name, welcome to the inFlow community. Please check your email. And I'll put in parentheses the email that we have on file. Reason I do that is because sometimes people input their emails incorrectly, but at least they'll have their phone numbers correct. We can send a text letting them know, hey, we sent an email to this email, and if that email address is incorrect, they'll text back and saying, hey, that email was wrong. I forgot to add this letter, add this number, whatever it is. So for more details, see you soon. So now we have a text, and then I would suggest having multiple wait steps here. So I would have a wait step for another day. I'll rename this to wait 1 day up here. Then we'll click save action. And then I will have a series of more emails to come after that. The reason you want to do that is if you're onboarding new clientele, it's great to have multiple touch points, because once somebody has been sold into your service or your product, you want to give them more information about what they can expect, how to navigate the process, what they should look out for. And especially if your onboarding includes having your new client give them your information, or maybe they need to fill out a form, you want to send that information via this workflow as well. But once you have this built out the way that you want, you are good to go. You just want to switch it from draft to publish, and then test the workflow out in real time so you can see what your clients are going to see on their end. And that's it. Now, every time someone gets tagged as a new client in your system, they automatically will receive a welcome email within seconds. So no more forgetting to follow up, no more manual copy and paste. Your onboarding runs autopilot while you focus on delivering great service. You can add more steps to this flow, like I suggested, the SMS or having a wait step as well, to send additional email, assigning tasks to your team, and so on and so forth. If you enjoyed this video, I would love if you gave this a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to learn more automations like this, then join the inFlow community for career professionals who want to learn AI and automation for their side hustle and business. Link in bio and in the description. And remember to build systems that work while you do. Be inFlow. See you soon.